Hello, everyone. Welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle. My name is Tammy, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about something that is really dear to my heart, and that is starting a YouTube channel in your 60s. Starting this channel has been one of the most exciting and rewarding things I've ever done. And I'm here to share with you my journey and why it's important for you as well to start a YouTube channel. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. So let's start with this. YouTube is not just for the younger people. In fact, creators over 60 is bringing their experience, their knowledge, expertise, decades of lessons and stories, and skills that people want to learn. Starting a YouTube channel can be an amazing way to get connected with your community and just meeting some amazing people. Well, I know what you might be thinking. Am I too old? Absolutely not. Age is just a number. You might be worried about or asking yourself questions about the technical things of YouTube. And you know what? I get it. I get it 100. It can be intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Start small. You see, I'm just using my phone, the back camera of my phone. All you need is a smartphone and natural light to get started. All right, so you want to know how you get started. Well, let me break it down for you in a few simple steps. Step 1, find your niche. What are you passionate about? Maybe it's cooking, maybe it's traveling, maybe it's sharing life advice to others. You want to choose something that you really enjoy doing because you want to make it fun. You want it to be fun and you want to enjoy doing what you're doing when you become a creator. Step number 2, gather some basic equipment. You do not need fancy gear to get started. Look, I'm using my cell phone right now, a smartphone, a microphone, and a well-lit space for beginners. That's all you need. Step 3, learn the basics. There are so many tutorials where you can learn how to edit videos. I learned how to edit my videos right here on YouTube. You can start with free tools like iMovie for the iPhone. I don't have an Android, but Androids also may have a free editing app or that you could use to edit your videos. And step 4, post your first video. Your first video can be a simple hello, how are you? Tell them your name. It could be something real simple. It doesn't have to be something that's real dramatic or detailed or anything. The key is that you want people to get to know who you are. You want to be your original self. Just start. So starting a YouTube video, it's not about being 60, right? It's about the connections that you're connecting to. You can meet people all over the world who shares your same interest. It's about growth and learning new skills like editing and storytelling. Keeps your mind sharp. And it's about leaving a legacy. Your channel can be a way to share your voice and experiences with the future generations. So here's what I want you to remember. Your age is an asset, okay? The wisdom and the perspective you bring is invaluable. If you've been on the fence about starting a channel, let this be a sign to get started. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. The world needs your voice. So what are you waiting for? Start your channel today. I'd love to hear about your journey. Share your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more tips and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see what you have created.